Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove Bing as search engine. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar, as you can see. In the top right corner, we have your profile. We have the three lines here, as you can go and see settings and all of those things. And in the bottom of the screen, we have all the things that are, of course, all the news. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove Bing as a search engine. So for Google Chrome, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then Settings, then Search Engine, then Manage Search Engines. Then find the Bing list, click on three dots next to it, and select Remove from List. For Microsoft Edge, where we are at the moment, you need to go and click again on the three lines here in the top right corner. Then find the Privacy Search and Services, scroll down to the address bar and search, and click Manage Search Engines, and then just remove. For Firefox, go to the settings again, search shortcuts, then go and remove it. On Safari, go to Preferences, Safari Preferences, then search, and then choose a different engine for the list. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.